All right. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I just want to update you on the current conditions. As you may know, we have what is certainly an extreme snow event on our hands. For those of you who may not be familiar with this situation, basically we're looking at snow of absolute historic proportions. I mean, we're looking at a situation that simply has never occurred before in the history of mankind. And I'm not going to sugarcoat it, ladies and gentlemen. Some of you are not going to make it out alive. All right, so let me just let you know what steps we're taking to in advance of this impending doom. We have all of our salt trucks, sanders, plows at the ready. It likely won't do any good because, as I mentioned earlier, this is the worst snowstorm in the history of mankind. It's never happened before. So, I mean, we're going to put the plows out there. We're going to put the salt spreaders and the sand trucks out there. But, you know, for what? I'm not really sure why. Because this is bad. This is bad.